Hello everyone, in the following video, I will show you how to set in the right air conditioner so that we can save electricity consumption. However, we also still get a comfortable room temperature. First, you have to be in cold mode. Okay, this is mode in air conditioner. You have select cool mode. Then the fan is in auto mode. This is a fan. Okay, in auto mode. Then the swing can be auto or manual mode. Swing. Okay, you can select auto or manual mode. And temperature setting is 26 degrees Celsius. This is setting temperature, which means the outdoor unit will turn off if the indoor temperature reaches the temperature in we set. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.